Okay, so Zoe has a 76 centimeter braid and she wants to put it around a rectangular mat. So we have a rectangular mat, and the maximum all the way around the circumference is going to be 76 centimeters. So if I make this short length X, then this long length will be 76. Take away those two X's divided by 2, because there's going to be a bit that side and a bit that side. I'm just going to do a little bit of basic maths on the side here. When you've got this little expression, I can write that as 76 over 2 minus 2x over 2. 76 divided by 2 is 38, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So my side is 38 minus x. That's just going to, we could all have simplified later, but that's just going to make it easier when I set up my equation. So I'm wanting to maximize the area. So area is equal to x times 38 minus x, base times the height. To differentiate, before I differentiate, I need to get that all as separate terms. So I'm going to have 38x minus x squared. Okay, now what is Zoe wanting to do? She is wanting to find what the maximum surface area is with respect to x. So I'm going to differentiate to give me 38 minus 2x. And I'm going to let that equal 0 to give me my maximum. 38 equals 2x, so x will equal 19. Okay. Now, what have they asked me to do? Calculate the dimensions that would result in the largest area and calculate the area of the mat. So x is 19, so y, or the base, is equal to 38 minus x, which will be 38 minus 19, which is 19. So it actually, the maximum area would be a 19 by 19 square, and 19 times 19, so with an area of 19 times 19, which gives me 361 centimeters square.